The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a tornado warning for Divide County until 6:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 10 miles southwest of Ambrose, or about 15 miles southwest of Crosby, moving at 20 miles per hour. Locations within the warning include Ambrose, moving at 20 miles per hour. Locations within the warning include Ambrose, move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy structure. Large hail and damaging thunderstorm winds are also expected with this storm. Heavy rainfall from the storm may produce localized flooding. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Report severe weather to the nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather